Welcome to Wagyu, where excellence begins. Wagyu cows grow up to 1.9 meters tall and weigh 950 kilograms. Sometimes, it feels like the cow is leading you. They grow 10 times faster than humans. Calves get special diets to develop perfect marbling. Wagyu cows are massaged daily to help with relaxation. They listen to soothing music at night for a peaceful sleep. Their diet includes sake, whiskey, and beer for extra flavor. This special food enhances their marbling and tenderness. Each cow has a 10-digit ID to ensure traceability. Wagyu cows are calm and gentle, thanks to constant care. They roam freely on large farms with fresh air and space. They drink special water, mixed with secret ingredients. Every detail, from food to care, ensures the highest quality. Rest allows the fat to marinate, creating the finest beef. Space to roam helps them grow strong and healthy. Natural surroundings make the beef even better. Once ready, they're brought to Japan's top slaughterhouses. Every cut is carefully inspected to meet the highest standards. Each piece is certified for quality and traceability. Wagyu beef is graded for marbling and tenderness. A 5 is the best. The beef is cleaned and prepped, ready for sale. Now it's cut into portions, ensuring each piece is perfect. Chefs prepare each cut with care, ensuring perfection. A 5 Wagyu is prized for its marbling, making it tender and rich. The steak is seared to create a crispy crust while staying tender inside. Wagyu also makes exquisite sushi that melts in your mouth. Whether it's steak, sushi, or shabu shabu, Wagyu is always exceptional. Wagyu is not just a meal, it's an unforgettable experience. From farm to table, Wagyu represents the best of quality. Want to see how other delicious treats are made? Drop a comment below.